Hello sir, my name is Sam Javaraj and my roll number is 39. The topic given to me is code optimization techniques, like how to do code optimization for irrespective of any programming language. So the introduction is the code optimization is a program transformation technique which tries to improve the intermediate code by making it consume fewer resources. Now, what are the objectives of optimization is optimization must not change the meaning of the program. Also, it should increase the speed and performance of the program. The comparison time must be reasonable. Finally, the optimization process should not delay the overall compiling process in any way. Now, what is the reason for optimization? The main reason is to reduce the speed, increase the speed, also reduce the space consumed. Manually analyzing the data sets involves a lot of time. Also, performing the optimization is also tedious. It is better done by code optimizer than a human. And optimized code often is reusable. Now, when to optimize? Optimization of the code is often performed at the end of the code, because as we add the optimization, different optimization techniques, it will reduce the readability for normal users, also for the professional coders. Now, where to apply the optimization? We can apply the optimization in source program, intermediate code, also in target code. Now, how to add it in source program is optimizing the source program involves making changes to the algorithm or changing the loop structures. Now, in intermediate code, optimizing the intermediate code involves changing the address calculation and transforming the procedure calls inward. What about in target code? Optimizing the target code is done by the compiler. Usage of registers, select and move instruction is part of optimization in case of target code. Now, different phases of optimization are global optimization and local optimization. Now, in global optimization, the transformations are applied to large programs that includes functions, procedures, and loops. While in case of local optimization, it is transformations are applied only to small blocks of statements. Now we are coming to the main part, that is the types of code optimization. We will look at it with each of it with an example. Compile time evaluation. What happens in here? Let's understand it with an example. It's a circle. While calculating, like for example, while calculating the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r before optimization. How it is performed is directly, like 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r. But what we have to do in compile time evaluation is actually, for example, let's take the second one. X is given the value of 12.4 and y is dependent on x for its value. So while calculating y, instead of calculating x divided by 2.3, we will calculate it as the value of x divided by 2.3. What about in the case of variable propagation? Is before optimization, like for example, let's take this one, c is equal to a into b, then whatever value the a has is stored in x. Then for calculating d, we are using the x value, like which has the data of a. But with the help of variable propagation, after optimization, what we have to do is, instead of using the dummy variable, we have to use the main variable directly, which will improve our performance. In dead code elimination is very much related to variable propagation. Let's see it. Before optimization, what we get is this one. The output of variable propagation is used here. Yeah. So after optimization, what is done here is the extra variable, like whatever the data of a was stored in x, is removed in case of dead code elimination, because this line of code doesn't provide value to our program. Instead, will lag our program in that way. Also takes extra memory, like that. Now let's go to the next one, that is code motion. Before optimization, like for example, in this case, we have to remove whatever the unnecessary line of code is present inside the while loop. Now, for example, see this line of code, b is equal to x plus y. It has nothing to do with the condition a is greater than 0. So it can be returned outside the loop also, because even if a is greater than 0 or less than 0, b is equal to x plus y is going to be executed. So removing it outside the loop is what is done in this optimization technique. Now in induction variable and strength reduction, what happens is whatever we have before reduction, I is equal to 1, while I is this is a normal program before reduction. After reduction, what we have to do exactly is, in this after reduction, what we are exactly doing is removing the high strength operator, like a multiplication is replaced in such a way that it is replaced by a operator which has a lower strength. That is what is meant by strength reduction. Thank you, sir.